In manufacturing, the pressure to do more with less has never been greater. The closest thing to 100% efficiency is simple. Your people doing the right things the right way every day. That's what audits, inspections, and process checks are designed to protect. Teams still rely on paper, Excel, or legacy systems that keep them one step behind, reacting to problems they didn't catch until a customer complaint, a failed audit, or a safety incident brought it to light. For leaders in operations, quality, and safety, that's a liability, not just a gap. That's why manufacturers use the Ease AI-powered platform to see what's happening on the plant floor and act fast. Easy-to-use digital audits build accountability into every shift. Quick-to-deploy cameras and configurable AI workers maintain a constant pulse on your operations. And connected, closed-loop workflows continuously drive improvements that stick, eliminating waste, creating flow, and freeing your team to focus on what matters. Less firefighting, more progress. Alignment from the shop floor to the top. So you can work on more of what's next and less of what went wrong. Book a demo to try Ease free